Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Matric. Before starting today's lecture, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe it and press the bell icon for further updates. So today we will see how to calculate square of the numbers from 1 to 100 within 5 to 10 seconds. For this lecture, prerequisite is one should know the square of the numbers from 1 to 10. That is very easy task. So for finding the square, there are two categories. First category is the numbers having 5 at their unit place. Let's say we want to calculate the square of 35. That is, it has 5 at its unit place. So what will we do? In the first step, we will calculate the square of 5. What is the square of 5? 25. We will write it as it is. Then, what is the number after 3? After 3, 4 comes, right? So we will multiply 3 by 4. 3 4s are 12. So that is your answer, right? So let's say we will take another example. Let's say we want to calculate square of 85. So what is the square of 5 again? It is 25. And what comes after it? 9. So 8 9s are 72. So that is the square of 85. Like that you can calculate square of any number having 5 at its unit place. Let's take one more example. We all know square of 15, that is 225. We'll try to calculate using this trick. What is the square of 5? It is 25, right? What comes after 1? 2. 1 2s are 2. Is it same? Right? So, if you follow this trick, you can calculate square within 2 to 3 seconds for the numbers having 5 at their unit place. So, what is the second category? The second category is rest of the numbers which doesn't have 5 at their unit place. Let's say we want to calculate the square of 67. So what will we do? What is the square of 7? We will write that as it is. The square of 7 is 49. Then what is the square of 6? It is 36. That also we will write as it is. Then we will leave this place, or you can write 0 here, whatever you want. Then what will we do? We'll multiply these three numbers, that is 6 into 7 into 2. 6 7s are 42. 42 2s are 84, and we will write that number here. And then add these two numbers. So 9 plus 0, 9. 4 plus 4, 8. 6 plus 8, 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4. So that is the square of 67. Like that we will do another example following all the steps. So let's say we want to calculate square of 43. So what is the square of 3? It is 9. So we won't write it as 9, as I have already told you in previous lecture as well. We'll write it as 09. So what is the square of 4 now? It is 16. What is the next step? Next step is multiplication of these three. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. We'll write that 24 here. And then add it. 9, 4, 8, 1. This is the square of 43. You can check it on the calculator as well. Let's take one another last example. So let's say we want to calculate square of 88. What is the square of 8? It is 64. Again, what is the square of 8? It is 64. Then what is the next step? We will write 0 here. Then what is the next step? Multiplication of these three. 8 8s are 64. 64 into 2, 128. We will write that here. 128, and then addition. 4 plus 0, 4. 6 plus 8, 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 2, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. That is the square of 88. You can check it on calculator as well. So I hope you are enjoying all the lectures, and do subscribe my channel. Press bell icon for further updates. Keep preparing. All the best. Thank you.